Welcome back. Today we will be showing you how to installing the main distribution frame. This is a 20 pair metal main distribution box. So before installing the box, ensure that there is an adequate space and there is a plan for placing the equipment. So metal metal distribution box should be of high quality material, and I think it should be galvanized with this galvanized so that to avoid corrosion and rust proof for higher durability and have a long life. So we are preparing for the installation of main distribution frame, drilling the wall with the help of a drilling machine. It's not more than about 2 or 3 inches holes. Now we will insert the wooden shim inside these holes. Where we insert metal screws. But before doing that, make sure that you insert some kind of holes in it, so that when we are installing the metal distribution box, we don't get uh, any difficulty to get our screws insert. So as you can see in the distribution box, there is a top. You see in the top that there is a 3 holes, and beneath the box there is also 3 holes from where we run down our 24 cable. Okay, actually this MDF is a termination point where all the trunk lines and all the internal station lines cables are coming here, a kind of a junction point inside it. And inside it you can see that uh, there is a metal teeth over there where we install the crown modules, and with the help of punch down tool we will inserting all those cable point. So you'll see on opening of the DB box module, right here we will running down all the cables. So this metal box is very hard, so we're it's taking some time. No worries, make sure you won't cut your hand. This is not the proper way, however we are using the hammer. Make sure you won't damage the distribution box. So it's taking some time, don't worry, but it will be worth watching. Make sure you subscribe my channel for more informative videos. You can see how hard it is. This is amazing, but it should be hard and tough because this is for the this is for a long time purpose, so it should be hard. If it is some if you don't have it some kind of resistance in it, it will be damaged soon. And the another important thing is that make sure uh, the place you are installing that you won't find any sorts of water coming inside this box. So I think we don't will not open the top of our covering point to avoid any kind of water leakage inside our distribution box, to get some any kind of unavoidable circumstances. So you can see how hard it is. It's taking time. Now we are ready to install the main distribution on the wall. Now, with the help of the hammer, we just insert the metal screws which goes inside the wooden shim which we have inserted before installing this metal distribution frame. And you can see there's the snap lock and the screw lock also for some kind of security for unauthorized access to our distribution box. So we have completed installing the main distribution frame, or you can say mounting the distribution frame on the wall. So thank you for watching this video.